The universe is vast and full of mysteries that challenge our understanding. Among the fascinating questions we try to unravel are galaxy collisions, invisible matter, the Big Bang, black holes, and even the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Today, we will explore some of the most intriguing and surprising curiosities about the cosmos. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so now. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy the video. If you're already subscribed and have already liked the video, great. Now, let's get to it. Let's dive into the mysteries of the universe. According to research, about 13.7 billion years ago, a colossal explosion known as the Big Bang marked the beginning of the universe and everything we know today. This is how all matter, life, and even the concepts of space and time are believed to have originated. Since that explosion, the universe has never stopped expanding and continues to grow infinitely. When we consider the size of the universe, it makes us reflect on the true scale of our own lives, which seem almost insignificant compared to the vastness of the cosmos. Additionally, another question arises: are we truly alone in this immense universe? These and many other questions remain hidden in the mysterious universe. Moving black holes. The universe itself is colossal and virtually infinite, and it's not just the universe that is immense, there are many other things that are also very large. Among the enormous and powerful entities in the universe, black holes are undoubtedly the most feared and mysterious celestial bodies. Contrary to what many might think, these massive black holes are not stationary, they are constantly moving. We can say that they are essentially a wandering through the cosmos, devouring everything in their path. And there isn't just one black hole, there are thousands, each larger than the next. One notable example is a black hole about the size of Jupiter, located relatively close to Earth and continuously moving through the Milky Way. With a diameter of over 140,000 kilometers, it has the capacity to easily swallow Earth and everything around it. Despite the colossal size of these cosmic monsters, finding them is a challenge because they do not emit electromagnetic radiation, making them invisible. This black hole is located 20 light-years from the center of the Milky Way and was discovered by the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan. As mentioned earlier, this black hole is moving and is quite massive, with a mass equivalent to 32,000 suns. In comparison, our existence seems almost insignificant. And to put things in perspective, this isn't even the largest black hole known. The universe is filled with invisible aspects that might seem intimidating. In fact, most of the universe is composed of things we cannot see. To date, the planets, stars, and galaxies we have discovered make up only 4% of everything that exists. The remaining 96% consists of substances that we cannot currently observe or fully understand. These substances are known as dark matter and dark energy, and exactly what they are remains a mystery. We still do not fully understand the nature or composition of these substances, which cannot be detected by any human equipment. This is why these substances remain a mystery. Although they have not yet been officially identified by astronomers, their existence has been confirmed due to their interaction with visible matter. These energies affect everything around us and play a crucial role in the expansion of the universe. While this might seem a bit confusing, the point we want to emphasize is that the more we study the universe, the more we realize how much we still don't know about it. The cosmos is in constant evolution and expanding at a rate that surpasses our ability to observe and measure. To illustrate, scientists have only been able to explore what is known as the observable universe, which includes everything we can see and study directly. However, this represents only a fraction of what actually exists. Moreover, the observable universe is constantly expanding and moving further away, making it even more challenging to keep up with its growth. New discoveries and technologies are always emerging, but the mystery of the cosmos continues to challenge us, showing that there is much more to be revealed. Thus, the exploration of the universe is an ongoing journey of discovery, where each new answer often leads to more questions. Imagine you are in your room, open the window, and see the world outside. This represents what we call the observable universe. However, there is a vast universe beyond this wall that we cannot see directly. Just as you can't study a wall and conclude that there is nothing beyond it, we can't simply assume that the observable universe is all that exists. Astronomers estimate that the most distant edge of the observable universe is about 45 billion light-years away. This represents everything we can see so far, but it is only a fraction of what truly exists. The vastness of the universe is so immense that light from the farthest regions we can observe has taken billions of years to reach us. And there is much more beyond these boundaries that we cannot see, as the light from more distant regions has not yet had time to reach us. Moreover, the universe is constantly expanding, which means that the regions we observe today are moving further away. This expansion continues to add new dimensions to our understanding and challenges our perceptions of what lies beyond the reach of our current instruments. The notion that there is a vast unexplored territory beyond what we can see makes us reflect on our own existence and our importance in this immense cosmos. Contemplating the vastness of the universe and the enormity of the unknown areas reminds us of our own smallness. The magnitude of the cosmos puts us into perspective and makes us realize that there is an infinity of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Our journey to explore and understand the universe is an ongoing process, where each discovery leads to new questions and possibilities, revealing more about the enormity and complexity of the cosmos. We are merely specks of sand in the vast universe. To put things into perspective, Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system, but even so, it is relatively small compared to other planets in the cosmos. Although our planet seems enormous to us, it is tiny when compared to other celestial bodies. Earth is in the solar system, where the Sun is our central star. As you know, the Sun is immensely larger than Earth. About 1.3 million Earth-sized planets could fit inside the Sun. With a population of approximately 8 billion people, our planet supports a remarkable amount of life, yet the Sun and many other celestial bodies are far greater in size. On the planet Jupiter, there is a monumental storm that has persisted for years and is, by itself, larger than Earth. This storm, known as the Great Red Spot, is an impressive example of Jupiter's grandeur. It makes us deeply reflect on how small we are in comparison to this gas giant. Consider the scale. The Great Red Spot is so vast that it could easily engulf the entire Earth within its turbulent mass. This gives a sense of the magnitude of the phenomena occurring on Jupiter. For hypothetical inhabitants of Jupiter, if they existed, living on such a massive planet and dealing with a storm of such colossal dimensions would be a common occurrence. The storm occupies a region of the planet the size of Earth, making it a dominant and imposing feature of the Jovian environment. This comparison makes us realize that, in a cosmic context, Earth and its features are merely small parts of a much vaster and more complex universe. The grandeur of Jupiter and the scale of its storms serve as a striking reminder of how small our planet is compared to the giants of the solar system. Although our Sun is massive, it takes about 225 million years to complete one orbit around the Milky Way. This lengthy journey makes us ponder the vastness of our galaxy. The last time the Sun was in its current position, our planet was vastly different. Instead of the multiple continents we have today, there was only one supercontinent called Pangaea. The immense time it takes for the Sun to orbit the Milky Way highlights the grandeur of our galaxy. However, the Milky Way is just one of approximately 140 billion galaxies that exist in the universe. This leads us to the conclusion that we are merely a grain of sand in the vast cosmos. To put things in perspective, there are more stars in space than there are grains of sand on Earth. Another astonishing fact is galactic cannibalism. Normally, the term cannibalism might seem unusual, but imagine it on a gigantic galactic scale. Yes, this really happens in the universe. Some enormous galaxies consume smaller ones. Unfortunately, there is a significant possibility that this could happen to our own galaxy in the future, as the Milky Way is not as large compared to others. This phenomenon of galactic cannibalism is not a distant or hypothetical event. Our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, has already consumed a galaxy that was a sibling to the Milky Way about 2 million years ago. Scientists believe that something similar might eventually occur with the Milky Way. However, there is no need to worry, as this is not expected to happen for about 4.5 billion years. Astronomers have discovered that a group of galaxies is being pulled towards a single point in the universe. They have named this mysterious force the dark flow. This unknown force seems to be drawing entire galaxies towards it, and it appears to be coming from beyond the boundaries of the observable universe. According to scientists, this force is extraordinarily powerful and unlike anything we know today. It is so strong that it is moving approximately 800 galaxies at a speed of about 1,000 kilometers per second. These 800 galaxies are being directed towards a location that remains unknown. It seems that all these galaxies are converging on a small region of space in the direction of the Centaurus constellation. The issue is that this force is likely beyond the observable universe, making it impossible to determine exactly what it is. The only certainty is that there is an unknown force pulling 800 galaxies at such high speeds. Some speculate that this could be the result of advanced alien technology, possibly some kind of cosmic magnet, as such a force has never been observed before. However, since this region of the universe is not yet visible, the true nature of this phenomenon remains a mystery. There are thousands of things we can barely imagine, especially mysterious forces. The truth is that no theory has yet fully explained these phenomena or why they are happening. What force is this? All we can do is hope that our galaxy is not drawn into such a force. It's clear that the universe is vast and filled with frightening mysteries. We know very little about it, and as it continues to expand, understanding it becomes even more challenging. Every day, new discoveries are made in the universe, and sometimes phenomena occur right before our eyes here in the Milky Way, yet we still cannot observe them. The Milky Way is so immense compared to us that many phenomena remain incomprehensible. Despite our intelligence, we are merely a grain of sand in the vast cosmos. Another issue that divides opinions, even among scientists, is whether we are truly alone in the universe. There is a theory known as the Fermi paradox, which addresses the probability of extraterrestrial life, meaning life outside of Earth. According to this theory, the probability of extraterrestrial life is high, given the lack of concrete evidence. Considering the size of the universe and its long history, we should have already encountered many technologically advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. According to the universe's size and age, it would be expected for us to be visited by flying saucers, for example, or to have some form of contact with other beings. The real issue is that, although we should have many extraterrestrial contacts, we have few concrete proofs to confirm this. In other words, they may exist, but they might be hiding from us, or more likely, they haven't found us yet. There is also the more famous theory that we have had several alien encounters, but for some reason, the government or other entities are trying to hide this information from us. Even without definitive evidence, and even if extraterrestrials do not want to make contact, or if there are attempts to cover up, it is nearly impossible to assert with certainty that we are the only intelligent beings in the universe. According to research, there is a 50% chance that humanity is alone in the universe. However, these same 50% also suggest that life outside Earth may exist. In other words, extraterrestrial life might or might not exist. Believing in it is up to you. We can say that if extraterrestrials do exist, either they have no interest in visiting us, or they are among us and have asked to keep their presence hidden. There is also the theory that they might be living among us without our awareness. However, regardless of these theories, it is hard to believe that we are the only ones in such an immense universe. There must be something out there. Bacterial life from other planets has already been discovered, and now we just need to find intelligent extraterrestrial life. Or are they so intelligent that they don't want to be found? Did this video leave you feeling a bit uneasy or blow your mind about the size of the universe? I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.